Welcome lovelies, let's make this very tasty, easy to make, oil-free ere style okra soup. This soup is one of the cheapest to make and by far one of the tastiest. It is commonly called green okra soup. These are my ingredients: green chili pepper, okra, onion, salted tilapia, onga seasoning, these beautiful orange peppers for garnishing, and for my meat, cow skin. I also add a bit of dawadawa to the soup. I am using cow skin, but you can use any meat or fish, it is solely your choice. Wash the cow skin thoroughly and boil for 15 minutes. I'll be grating the okra into 3 different sizes. This helps the okra draw better. Once that is done, I blend the green chili peppers and the onion. I now add all the ingredients to a saucepan with the exception of the okra, and then I bring it to a boil. The salted tilapia is supposed to break and form part of the soup, so I turn it around regularly to mash it. Once everything is well incorporated, there goes in the okra. I combine it very well with the soup, and then I add a little bit more of water to the right consistency. I mean my preferred consistency. I now allow it to boil until the okra is done, and once the okra is done, the soup is ready. I garnish with some orange and green chili peppers. I like to enjoy the green soup with some banku. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe. See you in another video. Stay safe. Bye.